Sanu. I don't know what that brand is, but it's pretty fancy, but I could give it a go, so yeah. I thought I'd get Sandy a nice good whack with my fancy leather. I got two like 4 of these, except for the pencil one. I'll try to do the pencil one. Keep mixing it. Just to soak the camera. Pathetic. I'm soaking it. Bad Sandy. Bad. Trying to make it worse a lot. Because this decided not working anymore. Well, it's just a normal set of flat screen TV remote control. It just doesn't want to work properly. This one's from 2009. It's the last Sandy remote and last Sandy TV. It's like a big bulky fancy TV. It's already broken and destroyed. So they saved this remote control for sale, but it's not a good quality. They don't want to sell it. Not worth it to buy it. It's so cheap, but it doesn't want to work anymore. It just shattered to bits, and then the whole thing just shattered, except this remote is too durable and flexy. And the buttons all faded and rusted. And it's no point in using it anymore because it's already got lots of dents on it. What's the point of these things? Useless. It's making a sound on the shelf. Thank you, Sanu. It doesn't want to work on the TVs. It's not university. But I found it. I found it legally dumped in the box. So that's why I took it home and saving it. That's the last quality that I was saying. I've never seen this remote before. I've never seen Sanu's remote control before. I remember back in those days I've seen Sanu's remote control that looked pretty fancy. Whereas this one is so fancy. I never had these buttons before. I've never seen them before. I've never seen quality like this before. But apparently it was the first one. Back in 1999, I guess. First time they used it. Great quality. Tipped over towards the freaking camera. Sanu. Well, of course it's fly off and whack my fancy camera. Fancy stuff just got knocked over. How stupid is that? And of course the rubber bit came off and it bounced straight towards the camera and insulting it. Stupid thing. Oh, now I'm just still trying to insult my camera. Thing. Thing. Fancy little. Oh, it's got a battery on it, of course. I'll take these out. I don't want the clue must explode all over my face. Get off. Fancy batteries. Fancy batteries. On to the next one.